Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this skirt part of this gown. You'll be needing your fabric, your tailor's chalk, scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Draft a basic skirt bodice. Mark the hip line as seen here. Get the middle of the hip as seen here. Connect points as seen here. Connect the center front to the side front as seen here. Cut it out this way. It should look like this when you open it up. Sew gathers on the opening as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.